Hello, today we will guide you through how to add the other option in KoboToolbox. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create an other response field in your KoboToolbox form so respondents can type a custom answer when needed. This is a helpful setup when your existing answer choices may not cover every possible response. To begin, open your form in KoboToolbox. Once you're inside the form editor, make sure you're on the main editing screen where you can add and manage questions. Next, click the plus Add Question button. This is where you create a new field that will capture the custom other response. When the question type options appear, select text. A text question is the right choice here because it allows the respondent to type their own answer instead of selecting from a list. After choosing text, enter other as the question label. This makes it easy to identify the field while building the form, and it also clearly connects this question to the other option from your earlier list question. Once that's done, open the settings for this new text question. In the Settings panel, turn Mandatory to Yes. This ensures that if the question appears, the respondent must provide a value before moving forward. That can be useful for keeping your collected data complete and avoiding blank other fields. Now move to the skip logic section. This is the key part of the setup because you only want this text field to appear when someone actually selects other in the previous question. In skip logic, click. Add a condition to start building the rule. You'll then be asked to choose which earlier question the condition should refer to. Click Select Question from List, and from the available options, choose the question labeled, Are you good? This tells KoboToolbox which response will control whether the other text field is shown. After selecting that question, choose Other as the triggering answer. This means the text field you created will only appear if the respondent selected Other in that earlier question. If they choose any other response, this field will stay hidden, which keeps the form cleaner and more relevant for the user. At this point, your other option is connected properly. You now have a text field that appears only when needed, and because it's marked as mandatory, respondents will be required to provide additional details when they choose that option. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to preview the form and test the behavior. Select Other in the earlier question and confirm that the text field appears as expected. That's how to add an other option in KoboToolbox.